If you're looking to upgrade your carry-on or add to your travel gear either as a gift or maybe for yourself, I'm going to be reviewing 3 Aerotrunk products that will be sure to level up your next trip. The 3 products I'll be reviewing are Aerotrunk's carry-on, the Pangolin, their compression cubes, and their universal travel adapter. Now, Aerotrunk did send me their Pangolin to try out, but the compression cubes and the travel adapter I did buy for myself. And so I was able to test all 3 products out on a recent trip I did. And so here's my review of these products. Let's start with Aerotrunk's carry-on, the Pangolin. The Pangolin is outfitted with an unbreakable polycarbonate cell that is lightweight and easy to handle. Weighing at just 8.5 pounds, the Pangolin is a high-quality suitcase that is built to last. I really like the design of the carry-on, and on my flight to Atlanta, I found it to be easy to use and felt durable enough to where I didn't worry about it breaking or being damaged. Now, the Pangolin is designed to fit in the overhead bins of the major U.S. airlines, and I had no issues getting this one to fit in the overhead bin for my flight, but just know that for smaller planes, you'll probably run into fit issues and may be forced to check it. Now, the Pangolin comes in at $189.95 on Amazon, but as a thank you for watching the video, you can get a 10% discount by using the code BENDREAM10 at checkout. One of the things I noticed right away when I started using the Pangolin is how smooth and quiet the wheels were. Aerotrunk uses Japanese 360-degree spinner wheels, and it requires very little effort to move it. This carry-on also has a telescopic handle that is height adjustable with 4 different settings. Another key feature on the Pangolin is the built-in front compartment, which provides easy access to your travel essentials. Store phones, batteries, cables, passports, sunglasses, and other small items in these 3 internal zippered pockets, and the 2 bigger pockets can easily store a 15-inch laptop and or tablet. Another feature is the ability to expand the suitcase an extra 2 inches, making it easy for you to store some extra clothes without having to resort to checking your carry-on. Just make sure it will still meet the carry-on requirements for the airline you'll be flying on. This carry-on is also equipped with TSA-approved locks with lockable zippers if you need to secure the contents of your bag. I only wish that the locks were located at the top of the carry-on and not the side, but that's just a personal preference. Moving to the interior of the suitcase, you'll notice 3 pockets for storage, and then on the other side, a compression pad with straps to not only secure your items, but compress that area behind it to be able to fit more in it. Behind the left side of the carry-on is an area for storage. Now, this area is shallower than the right side because of the front storage pocket that sits right behind it. Moving to the right side of the suitcase, you'll find another pocket for storage, and then as I open it, you'll notice the second product by Aerotrunk, which is their compression cubes. I really like these. They're very well made and durable. I'm using the larger one to hold my shirts and pants, and then a smaller one for socks and underwear. As you can see, they perfectly fit inside the carry-on, and there are 2 more cubes that I didn't need, but you can see how they would fit inside. So let me just show you how to compress these cubes. So there's an additional zipper on the cubes, and all you have to do is zip it up, and it becomes about half the size. And as you can see, the smaller bag was the same size as the larger bag, but now after it has been compressed, it's a lot smaller and you can fit more into this area. These packing cubes go for $49.95 on Amazon, but I think you can save some money if you bundle these 2 items together. A couple of other items that I wanted to mention about the Pangolin that I think are nice touches is first, this detachable toiletry bag, which you can store your toiletries and other smaller items. And then it also comes with 3 storage bags, which you can use to put dirty clothes in or even wet bathing suits. So just some nice touches and really a compliment to Aerotrunk for thinking about the details that went into designing this carry-on. The third product from Aerotrunk is their universal travel adapter. Currently going for $19.95 on Amazon, this travel adapter has 4 different international plug adapters covering more than 150 countries. It has the EU plug, a US plug, an Australia-New Zealand plug, and a UK plug. It does have a built-in fuse protector, safety shutters, and an LD power indicator. This travel adapter comes with 3 USB ports and a USB-C port. What I like about it is that even if you're not traveling internationally, you can just plug it into your home country's outlet and use it to charge multiple devices at once if you find yourself short on outlets. So if you're interested in purchasing any of these products, make sure you check out the links down in the description, and don't forget to enter your 10% discount code BENDREAM10 at checkout. I also linked to some other travel products that I use when I travel if you're interested in checking those out as well. And let me know if you have any questions by posting them in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you again in a future video.